It is 16 degrees outside, and I'm about to be attempting a cold start on my El Camino and on my Camaro. Neither one of these cars has a choke on it, so this ought to be fun. The El Camino will be just fine, but I will eat my hat if this Camaro starts up in this weather. So let's set the camera up back here and see what they'll do on this cold, snowy day. This thing tuned pretty well. 16-degree cold start with no choke and a cam. All right, now it's time for the wild card. I really don't know if this one's going to start I'm leaning towards it's not going to. The carb on this thing's kind of a junky one. It's just what I have on it so I can move it around the yard. Guys, unfortunately, that's all she's got. I was really hoping that y'all would be able to hear it on this cold day, and I was hoping I'd be able to as well, but engines don't run on hopes and dreams. The Demon 625 on it is actually damaged, and it's kind of a junk carb, but it gets it around the yard in warm weather. I've just never tried to start it when it's been this cold, so even with ether, we couldn't get anything going. Fired a couple times, but wouldn't catch. But at least y'all got to hear the awesome El Camino. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed at least the first part of the video. Guys, I couldn't leave y'all hanging like that, so it's a new day. The battery's freshly charged, so should bust off. Let's do it. There we go, guys. A little bit warmer weather definitely helped. It's about 45 out here now. So I hope now you enjoyed the video a little bit better since you got to hear both of them start up. El Camino, second gen Camaro.